It's amazing to connect the industry and the academia, and we have hands-on learning within these 2 days.
Obviously, it's for those who teaches enterprise resource planning, because our students in operations management, so during their internship they may be attached to procurement, to warehouse, to quality department, to customer service. So we find the modules are very much related to what they'll be doing. So by attending this workshop, it's actually I can say a blessing in disguise.
It's very much exposure on the academia side, see what are the real things behind the applications in Odoo.
We do know the step-by-step, and we would like the students to experience from start to the end. And the output is most amazing. I really love the output. It looks surreal. It looks so real. The receipts, the PO, and when students ask me, is my sales enough, or why are some of the things I enter doesn't appear, so we can get our questions answered, and because we want them to continue to be inquisitive, to be exploring, acquiring the knowledge. We have seen how students benefited from this once they entered the industry.